Hi everyone, this is Sharon from Sharonatsea Travel, and we just wrapped up an amazing trip here at the Royal Haciendas in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. And before we leave, I thought I would give you a quick tour of our beautiful one-bedroom suite here at the Royal Haciendas. Come on in. We are in room H362A. And here we are in the kitchen, full kitchen. We have a nice breakfast bar here with a couple of stools. There is a microwave, a full stove. You have a toaster, blender, coffee maker, full-size fridge. There's even a dishwasher over on this side. All the cupboards are stocked for anything you would possibly need. There is a full inventory right here that tells how many plates and cups and cookware and everything, which you can look on that to see if it's available here, look in the drawers, and you will pretty much find anything you need. So now let's take a look at the living quarters. And now we stepped out of the kitchen, and here is the full living area. You have a little dinette set here with 4 chairs, and you come into the living area here. There's a couple of lamps. They have a little on and off switch back here on the cord. Let's see, come over here, you have a TV. You have a DVD player, a little stereo up here. There's some drawers down below here, 4 drawers. And the coolest thing ever about this room is there are 2 Murphy beds, so they don't take up a lot of space. You can put them up during the day, bring them down at night. So this room actually sleeps 4, because there is a bedroom, but there are these 2 Murphy beds. So they come down like this, very simple and easy. This kind of pulls down, and voila, you have a bed. Now let me put it back up. During the day, you just put it back up. And there you go. And there's another one right over here. And it pulls down as well. And we'll show you the balcony in just a minute, because the balcony's the coolest part, I think. All right, now we're going to head on in here to the bathroom. I'm just going to let the camera kind of show the bathroom because there's not a lot to explain. You know, there is the whole mirror with 2 sinks here, some drawers. Then off here is the toilet and the really beautiful shower. All right, so the bathroom does have plenty of room for 4 people. There's a little makeup stool right here to sit and do your makeup in front of the mirror, as well as a little makeup mirror behind me. There's a hair dryer, so it has anything a family would need. All right, we are in the bedroom. Let's start with the closets. These are huge closets, plenty of space. So first off, we have just some shelving here with the safe. Very large safe. It has actually a shelf inside of it, so that's really cool. This is just another side. You can see it from here, so let me open these. This is where you would hang all of your belongings. There's plenty of hangers in here. And on this side, there's more space to hang things, as well as an ironing board and iron. And there is also, if you can see up above here, a full shelf all the way across. Also, there are 2 thermostats in this whole room. One is out by the kitchen area and dining area, and one is right here in the bedroom. They work individually, so you can make it hotter or cooler in one room than the other if you prefer. So there you go. There's a couple of lamps here. Once again, they have the switch on the cord back here. On this side of the bed, we have a phone, a nice California king bed, as well as an alarm clock with USB cords and plugs, and another lamp on that side. There's also a very nice armoire in here with plenty of storage for all of your belongings, a TV, a DVD player, a desk over on this side with a little drawer here. There's some USB and plugs back on the wall, a lamp, and the balcony also goes out from the bedroom as well. So let's go take a look at the awesome, huge balcony with the jacuzzi tub. Here is the beautiful, huge balcony. We have a full table here with 4 seats. It's a great place to just sit out here and eat. We enjoyed room service out here multiple times during our stay. You have a couple chairs with some stools, leg rests, and an awesome, huge jacuzzi tub over here. And the water gets very hot, let me tell you, because I tried it a few times. And there is a button right here. Well, the plug is right here as well, and there's a button right here for the jets on the tub. You do have to push it a little hard and hold it in there for a minute to get it to come on, but it works perfect, no issues. We really enjoyed this balcony. It was huge and the view is beautiful. Not only do you get a glimpse of the beach, but you also get an awesome view of the pool areas and the entire property here. Once again, that was a little overview of a one-bedroom suite at the Royal Haciendas in the Playa del Carmen area. Hope you enjoyed our room tour. If you're not subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to push that notification bell so you'll get notified when we post new content or go live. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels.